Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a member to your project on the Asana application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. After that, go to the project section at the top and select your project to which you want to add new members. All you have to do is clicking on that icon, which is supposed to be a face or a person with a plus icon at the top of the screen. So tap on it. And all you have to do is typing in the name or the email address of that person that you want to invite to your project. Tap on it, and now as you can see, that person has been added to your project. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.